Welcome to Q&A Wire.
The problem states a slab of insulating material has thickness 2D, right? It has the thickness 2D and is oriented so that its faces are parallel to the YZ plane and given by the planes x equals to d and x equals to minus d. The y and z dimensions of the slab are very large compared to d. Treat them as essentially infinite. So the slab has a uniform positive charge density rho. So now it is asked for the first part, explain why electric field due to slab is zero at the circle of at the center of the slab. Right. And using Gauss law, find the electric field due to the slab magnitude and direction at all the points in the space. So here we can say the formula for this slab, you can say the charge density formula for any point x, right? It will be rho naught equals to x by t square, right? So that is why at the center of the slab E equals to 0 because x is 0 here, since x is 0 here. So this whole equation becomes 0 and charge density is 0, then E is also 0 here. So now for the B part, we are asked to find the electric field due to the slab. So here we need to find the electric field between, you can say, it is given 0 less than x and this is less than d, right? So for this we can say dq is given by rho dv, or you can write it as volume as adx, right? This adx can be written, right? Again this dx will be x square dx, you can say, by d square. Can we write this? Yes. So this is the basic thing. Now q enclosed means the charge enclosed will be between 0 to x here. So it will be 2 times of 0 to x dq, right? And we will just integrate it, putting the value dq. So rho a by d square is a constant, 2 is also a constant, so taken outside only x is a variable. So x square when integrated, it becomes 2 by 3 rho naught a x cube by d square, right? So we know that phi is equal to q by epsilon naught. Phi is what? Flux. So you can say electric field E is given by actually phi by A, right? We can say since electric field E is equals to phi by A. So can we write it as phi? That is flux density, you can say E into A, right? So that is what we have done here. We have written phi, instead of phi we have written EA, 2EA, right? Right. So here when we'll put all the values like q enclosed, and we will get E as rho naught x cube by 3 epsilon naught d square. So this is how we solve this problem. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching.